infected, but he'll be alright, 'cause he's a scumbag, don't you know? I said he's a scumbag, don't you know? But your eyes are staring at the ground. She makes a subtle proposition. I'm sorry, love, I'll have to turn you down. Oh, we must be up to summer. What are the chances? Sure, it's more than likely. I've got a feeling in my stomach. I start to wonder what his story might be. What his story might be. Yeah, 'cause they said it changes when the sun goes down. Yeah, they said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here, around here. Oh. Look, here comes the fourth Monteo. Isn't he Mr. Inconspicuous? I didn't even have to say oh. She's in the stands ready to get picked up. Bet she's delighted when she sees him, pulling in and giving her the eye, because she must be giving him freezing. Scantily clad beneath the clear night sky. It does stop in the winter now, and they said it changes when the sun goes down. Yeah, they said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here, they said it changes when the sun goes down. Over the river going out to town. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here, around here. And what a scummy man. Just give him half a chance.
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even just £1 a month helps me create more frequent uploads and better quality content. By becoming a patron on the new tier, you'll get access to exclusive full song tutorials, you'll have priority input on future videos and notations, you'll have access to all the PDFs, and plenty more. Your support allows me to keep making the videos you love. Thank you.